Hello everyone, welcome back to Road Reg. Recently I took my BMW E91 330D to Surrey Rolling Road in Hampshire to find out how many horsepowers has it lost in 15 years. And we just happened to bump into a bit of a legend, John from Forensics Detailing. He was down there in his Porsche 987 911 Aero to find out how many horsepowers he's lost in 25 years. So yeah, this is going to be a good one, guys. Sit back, relax, grab a drink, and let's roll the tape. John, hello. I've just bumped into you at Surrey Rolling Road. How you doing, my friend? Good to see you.
This is not planned either.
No, not planned at all.
The car pulled in, a black BMW. I thought, that looks like Reg. And then I heard of John. So I'm Rolling Road in mine because I've had some performance issues and I think they're fixed. So Charlie's going to bless me with more horsepower today.
How confident are you that they're fixed, John?
I'm 95% sure it's going to pull more than 285, yeah. And then that's good enough, yeah.
Because you've been down quite a long road with this car, haven't you?
Yeah, it's been, because we were barking down the wrong tree and trying to fix everything we could do to try and fix it, really cheaply. And it was something really cheap. And in the end, it was a simple problem with the resonator flat being stuck closed, and now that's working. I can feel a difference. So the high-end torque should all be there now, Reg.
That's good. So this is the first time you've had it on the dyno, since you've had the new engine, right?
First time, and I've been here about 7 times in the last 6 months.
7 times?
Well, I don't know, don't quote me on that. I've been here a lot.
Charlie, can you confirm seven times?
Well, how many times have I been here?
Kids' school fees.
Yeah. There you go, look.
I'm off to Spa, in a few days, so this is my last chance for it to... If it doesn't run right, then I'm going to have to run it around a track with a bit of power loss, but I've done it before anyway, so it's not the end of the world. But I'm confident she's fixed.
What should this make?
296 stock, but Charlie was saying they don't tend to make that.
They tend these days, anything over 280, you're doing all right.
Yeah, but I reckon it's going to be good. Because we've got the new fuel pump, new injectors, now we've got the resonator flat working, and we've got a new short block in the middle, and it does have a map on it, but it's a preset map that's been on there for 10 years. So, yeah, we shall find out. That's a 1998, I think, so that's a Gen 1 cable throttle M96 engine.
As analogue as they get, would you say?
Yeah. It's got a deeper sump on it with an X51 baffle, so it runs more oil to try and protect it from oil starvation on the bearings, which is what caused it to blow. Apart from that, it's got a modified exhaust, sports intake in a stock box, and loads of interior mods, Recaro seats, caged O-limbs, H&R roll bars, upgraded brake pads, but it's kind of stockish.
So it's track ready, light track.
Kind of light track modifications.
Or as they say, fast road.
Yes.
Yeah. Coming up. Good.
Can I jump in there? Is that okay? Charlie!
Not bad. I think he's going to be happy with that result. I would say that's...
Yeah, it's fine. 293! Oh, thank fuck for that. It's working.
That is the ideal kind of power curve you want to be seeing.
That's
just
not bad.
Straight up, like a mount, going up a mountain. That's what you want. From a naturally aspirated petrol engine.
Because from here, I think, in this mid-range, you're on Vario cam, so you've got like...
Yeah.
know...
That's good. I'm glad I witnessed that. That's great.
Phenomenal. So you're up next, Reg.
I'm up next. N57.
Yep.
330D.
Yep.
It's a 2010 LCI.
Yep.
So it's 242 horsepower apparently, and 520 newton meters of torque.
Yep.
But we've got a few faults.
Yep.
We've got back pressure sensor.
Yep.
And it needs glow plugs at the control unit.
Yep. Glow plug control unit probably won't affect the power.
No.
Back pressure maybe.
Yeah.
If it's not affecting the power, then it should do 240, 250.
Well, that would be
Yeah.
that'll be an ideal result. I mean, it's nearly 100,000 miles on the clock.
Yes, they're going for it. They're going
They
for
do.
it. Miles and miles. These.
They do.
It's the three. You know, it's the big the straight six as opposed to the crappy 4 cylinders.
That's it. Yeah.
If it was an M47, it would have shot itself long ago.
Well, yes, the timing chain would have obliterated. But then again, these have timing chain issues as well. So
They do, but they're not as bad. The guides go on these, don't they? So
Yeah.
and they break up.
Yeah.
I had an X5 with the same engine.
Really?
Yeah, and the guides went on that.
But you normally get a little sound. You get like a
You also get
sound.
bits of plastic in the oil.
Right.
So it's we need to look at, and it starts rattling.
Yeah. So you do get a few warning signs before,
You do.
which is nice. But it is something I'm going to have to do in the future
Yep.
because it's an N series
It
engine.
is, yep.
So yeah, if I see 240 horsepower,
Yeah.
I'll be happy. I don't know how the previous owners treated this car. I don't know if he did short journeys. I mean, the fact that we have an exhaust back pressure sensor, that could be due to carbon build-up, right?
It could be, yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, let's have a look and see what happens.
Let's see what happens. All right. Just road reg. So
road reg.
ROAD.
Yep.
And then REG. There we go. Like I said, 240 horsepower, I'll be happy, but I really have no idea. The car's pulling hard. But yeah, this is why I'm here. Can't even hear it. You have no idea when he's actually going to make a run. Already? 242. Yeah, 4. Very happy. Amazing. So I wasn't expecting that. I know that BMWs typically make more power. They always lie.
BMW diesels.
Oh, really?
Diesels always make more power.
Really? I
And
did
the
not.
modern M1, the MB58s always make more than stock.
Which is what I had,
The
yeah.
normally aspirated of this generation usually spot on.
Yeah.
But the diesels always do. But it's 400 foot-pound, 250 horsepower.
So what's that in English money? Is that 500 newton meters?
It's times 1.3 something. So about that.
Roughly
yeah.
500. 252 horsepower. It's supposed to have 242, and it's got 2 fault codes on the engine. That exhaust back pressure is obviously not doing anything.
Not at all. Well, there's no light on the dash.
That's a faulty driver error.
Yeah, it must be. So that's why it pulls so hard. But there we go.
It's a really good car.
Oh, brilliant.
You've done well.
I'm happy.
That's brilliant, Reg.
I'm genuinely blown away by
I'm
that.
genuinely jealous because I've had to come here so many times and he's up already. He's only been here once. That's
I know,
nice.
but hey, it's a BMW, so
No problem at all.
thank you so much, Charlie.
Anytime.
Amazing. 252 horsepower. So that's 10 horsepower more, roughly, give or take. Yeah, I don't even know if it needs to be fixed now. I'm questioning all that money I'm going to spend on it. Why are you making that much power? I don't get it. It's technically broken. It's got 2 fault codes on the engine, and it's done nearly 100,000 miles. I mean, come on. And there we go, guys. Look how smooth that power and torque curve is. Not what I was expecting from a 15-year-old 330D with 98,000 miles on the clock. Now, I think part of that extra horsepower could be down to the fact that I'm using V-Power diesel and have been ever since I picked up the car. And the reason for that is I've picked up this car secondhand. I have no idea how it's been driven or treated prior to my ownership, and I want to regain any lost ponies that have come out of that engine over its 15 years of existence. Get yourselves down to Surrey Rolling Road. Have a look at that. Oh, yeah. This place is iconic. It's been here for a very long time. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Road Reg, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.